Now, today's video is about how to apply for master's degree in Sweden. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm so happy you made it here. I have a lot of things to share with you in Sweden, in all of Europe, especially how to come and study in Sweden, be it bachelor's, master's, how to live in Sweden as a student, as a family, as a parent. I have a lot in stock for you. So let's start the application now.
All you need to do is to go to universityadmissions.sc. Very straightforward. You get ready with the program you want to study. For instance, if you want to study computer science, you just type computer science in this box. You will be presented with a list of universities who are offering the program of your choice. You can choose either bachelor's or master's. We are focusing on master's in this video. And you are allowed to choose 4 programs per application. Yes, so we've chosen 4 programs now. And before we even try to continue the application, we can open up each of the program to find out more about the tuition fee required, and I'll also talk about scholarships available for people who are outside EU coming to study in Sweden in the next video. So if you want to be notified, subscribe so you'll be notified when I post that video. Now let's look at another fee required for another program. This is 50,000 per term. That is 200,000 SEK. The 50,000 is like $5,000. So let's start the application. Let's create an account. We do not have any Swedish personal ID, so we just click no and fill in our name and personal information, address and password and so on. I'm going to fill this application behind the scenes. Yes, welcome to university admissions. Yes, so now the programs we selected are displayed to us here, and we have the option to prioritize the programs. So if you put a program on the top, if you get admission for the first program, the others will be deleted. And if you prioritize them, it means that if there is any opening, you prefer the first choice, the first program on the top to the others. So after prioritization, we can continue to submit the application. After submitting, we are supposed to choose which country will be submitting our bachelor's or other educational information from. I choose Ghana here, and the application fee is required for people who are not from EU or EEA. EEA is European Economic Area. So if you are from EU or Switzerland or EEA, you do not need to pay application fee. But people from Africa, Asia need to pay. So we have 4 programs selected. We submit and then we receive a confirmation. Thank you for applying to Sweden. You are required to pay application fee. So the next step is to pay your application fee, and I'll explain more about application fees in the next section. And then the next stage you need to send your documents, general documents, in the same platform that will be assessed by all the universities you have applied to. to here you find more information about the document. English language proficiency has to be sent like IELTS, but not all universities need to send this. You have to submit your ID documents and your certificates, diplomas, and transcripts. And mind you, everything you submit here will be assessed by all the universities. You don't need to send to each university. So the application fee is 900 Swedish crowns. That is $100. That must be sent. And the English requirement is, I told you earlier, it's not for everyone. For people who studied their bachelor's or SS education in English, most countries do not need to write another IELTS exams for it, which is very good for people in Ghana, Kenya, Nigeria, Ethiopia. So if you studied your previous education in English, you do not need to write any IELTS, which makes applying to Sweden very good, very easy for us. African countries, some of the African countries who do not need to submit any IELTS is Ghana, Gambia, Kenya, Lesotho. Name them, they're all listed here for you. So yeah, we are good to go. Let's keep note of these following dates every year when you're applying for a program in Sweden. If you remember these days, you will not miss any deadline, so your application will be considered. So every year it opens in mid-October to mid-January, and the deadline for the payment of application fees 1st February, same as the submission of the documents. So if you are posting some of your documents, you have to take note of these dates. The results will be shown, the admission results will be by 9th April or first week in April. The last day to reply will be noted by the university. And the semester starts in August or September for the first round of application. And there's another second round which also starts in mid-March. So the second round of application starts in mid-March and ends in mid-April. So if you are watching this video at this time, you can even try to see if there are some courses that you can, some programs you can apply to at this time. You are not too late. And the second round, you have to pay your application fee by 3rd May, and the deadline for the documents is 3rd May, no, 21st June. So the last day for replying to the results is 23rd July, like offering your accepting the offer the university has given you. And that semester also starts August, September. After this, the next thing to do is to apply for scholarships. So watch out for it in the next video. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you want me to do more videos, subscribe. If you want to be notified for next videos, hit the notification bell. And adios. Hej då. Vi ses. Everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about starting your scholarship, starting your master's degree in Sweden. It's very simple to do in Sweden, pretty straightforward. All you need to do is go to admissions, Sweden admissionssweden.se. You need to select up to 4 programs to study.